Hello everyone! So today we're going to make some chocolate muffins. Adriaan is having already a lot of fun with the mixer, I can see. So for the chocolate muffins we're going to need some flour, sugar, milk, eggs, cacao powder and some baking powder and half a cup of oil. The recipe we will put in the description underneath the video. So let's make a start and see how it goes. Okay, ready Adriaan? We're going to put everything together. We're going to put the sugar in there. Well done. We're going to put the eggs in there. Let's first put the eggs. Well done. Then we're going to put the milk in there slowly, slowly. Slowly. Well done. You want to go too fast.
You're so quick today.
We're going to put the oil in there. 1, 2, oil. Oh, wow. Is that looking cool? Then we're going to put a little bit of salt.
Salt?
Salt, yeah.
Okay.
So, now we're going to put 4 big spoons of cacao powder. No, we're not going to put that in like that. We're going to use that one.
Nice big spoon, yeah.
1. Again, yeah.
4 times, yeah.
2. One more. 3.
3.
And
And
one more. 4.
4 spoon, yeah.
Good boy. So, and then we're going to have 2 small spoons of baking powder. Yeah. Gonna use that one. Ready? 1. One more.
Yeah.
2. So, that is that one. Let's now mix all together. So now we're going to use that one. Are you ready? There we go. Wow.
Oh, yeah. Blue, yeah.
So when we are all finished mixing,
Green.
and Adriaan is putting the forms in there to make it all ready to put the chocolate dough in there.
Oh, yeah. One edge, yeah. Now I need to put all both.
Okay, Adriaan. Now you want to help Mummy? Okay. Ready? 1.
Which one color first? Blue? Put blue, yeah? Alright.
In the red color.
First red, yeah.
In the red color.
Red, yeah.
Oh. Shall we put a bit more in there? Put a bit more in the red one. So now we're going to put in the green. And the green.
Now I
1,
put
2.
green.
Ooh, that's gonna look nice. Shall we put a bit more in the green? 1 more in the green. 1 more in the green. There you go. Bit more in the red. You're gonna put a bit more in the red. Mummy's gonna put a bit more in the pink. So in the pink, yeah. You put a bit more in the pink. I know. So when they have all been filled up with a lot of help of Adriaan, it's going to look like that. And we're going to put it in the oven on about 175 degrees for about 20 minutes.
Yummy, yummy. They look so yummy.
How are your muffins doing, Adriaan? Are they almost done? Go have a look.
Look how big. Wow. Nicey, yeah.
They're gonna be very hot.
Wow.
So the muffins have been in the oven for about 20 minutes. We're gonna take them out now. Adriaan, be very careful, it's very hot. Yeah. And the second one coming out.
One more.
We're gonna leave them over there, just let them cool down a bit. When they are cooled down, we're gonna give them a try with some cream.
Yummy, yeah?
So they're all ready. They look very nice and they're very big. So let's give them a try. We're gonna put a bit of cream on top and then we're gonna put some nice decoration on top. So, let's go for Adriaan for the blue color, as he really likes blue. Give me some cream.
Oh.
It's a cake. Mummy, a bit of cream. So,
Put nice sweetie on top, yeah?
you're gonna put some of those.
Put on top.
Let's get a knife, cut them in half and give them a try. So, let's cut them in half for you. Cake, yeah.
Daddy can put little bit sweetie on daddy one.
Wow.
And on mommy one. Adriaan will put little bit. No.
No putting sweeties on there. That's okay.
No.
You want to give your cake a try? Looking very nice. Also on the inside. They're all well done. Yeah. So we are going to give the cakes a try. And then we're going to say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.